Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button to stay updated and turn on notification bell. So today we'll be creating a professional landing page for a tech company using AI and VS Code, or rather AI with CSS Javascript and HTML, basic things that we know. So the first thing that we're going to do now is to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us structure of a professional tech landing page website, because we don't know how the structure is, so we just have to start from scratch. So that's what we are going to do now. I'll open ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. Then I've written my prompt somewhere. I'll just copy instead of typing, copy from my notepad, and I'll paste there. So give the structure of creating a professional landing page for a tech company. Then I'll send and wait for ChatGPT to do its work. So it's done. According to ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT gave to us rather. The header, the hero section, key features / benefits, how it works, step by step, wherever, product screenshots, demo videos, social proof, pricing section, FAQ, final city, final call to action, then closing argument, then footer. Okay, so this is professional. Yeah. The next thing we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT now to create the HTML file, the CSS and JavaScript file for us. So again, I'll copy my prompt from my notepad and I'll paste it here. Now I want you to create the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here is everything basically. So next thing is, okay, now I want you to create the HTML, CSS and JavaScript for this website. Create each file separately, then click on send. Wait for ChatGPT to do its work. So we have the HTML structure. So this is the HTML. The star is coming up. So here's the HTML structure. It's creating it here. Think it. Then the CSS style. So we are creating this for the very first time. This is the first time I'm even creating something like this. So there might be a little bit back and forth, but we'll get there. Then this is the JavaScript. And this kind of little. So before we continue, we go back to our VS Code. Come back to our VS Code and create the file for this thing. So create our HTML file, index.html. Then we create for our CSS style.css. Then we create for our JavaScript script ript.js. So we have our file. Then we'll go back to our ChatGPT again. ChatGPT here. Start with the first one. We'll copy our HTML file. Then go back to our VS Code. We'll paste. Go to our script. ChatGPT, go to script. But let's copy our style first. Copy our style. Go to VS Code, style.css, paste. Then for our script, go back again, script.js. We copy this, go to our VS Code, and we paste. Now we've pasted all of them. It should be working ideally. but we need to link our style.css to our HTML. So let me just open this with live server so you see what it looks like. Open with live server. So this is how the website look like. Yeah, this is it basically. So we have to like go back to our VS Code, link our style sheets to it. We have to remove this one, then link this our style to it. So if we go back again, oh sorry, go back again, it changes. So this is what we have. So it's not perfect, yeah, it's cool. We'll still work on it. So go back to I don't really like this blue color. Yeah, because I'll be using my YouTube channel color with this. So I have to look for my color. So I'll use this website to check for my YouTube color to ChatGPT. Yeah, you go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to work with this brand color. So I want you to I want you to change, or I want you to work with this color and white. So yeah, also the website color scheme is now as primary and white dash. So I'll copy this, go to my VS Code, my style sheet, I'll paste or remove this one, then paste the new one, then check my browser if it has changed. So yeah, this is it. Boom. I just feel the green is too much, so I will make the green the secondary color. Then oh no, I think this is fine. Is it fine? Too many green. So yeah, let's use it this way for now. It's not responsive. The website is not responsive. Nah, it's not responsive. So let me check. It's responsive to some extent, but the navbar is not responsive. No. So go back to our to remove this. So go back to our go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to change the color. I don't want the color. I want the primary color to be white. So I want the primary color. I want the primary color to be white, and the other different shades of this my brand color. So send to ChatGPT again, wait for ChatGPT to edit. So wait, yeah, it's done. So just copy, oh sorry, copy this from here, go to VS Code, remove everything here, and just paste this new one. So check the web page again, and it's looking good. This is better. This is better. This is better. But now I want the navbar to be on full screen. So it's too short from here to here. It's too short. So I want it to be full screen. So I will go back to ChatGPT. So now I want to make the navbar height to be 100 VH, yeah. So once you visit the website on your system, the navbar is going, sorry, the hero section rather, said navbar. So hero section, not navbar. The hero section is going to cover 100, like the 100 viewpoint port of the website, or viewpoints rather. So I click on send. It's going to edit the research text. Okay. So now just copy the CSS file again. Copy. Go back to my VS Code, CSS, highlight all, then V again. Then check my web page. This my web page is here to see. So now you see that this is covering like 100 viewpoint. So you scroll before you can see the next section, this key feature. So it's okay like this. The next thing we want to do is to work on this navbar. The navbar is not responsive on smaller screen. So if you check, let me just, so if I should inspect this, it's not responsive on smaller screen. So you see the navbar, it's not responsive this small screen. So yeah, so we want to work on this. So I'll go back again. I'll go back to ChatGPT. And now I'll prompt it again to make the navbar responsive on smaller screen. Or when I put the website on smaller screen, I want an hamburger menu to appear. So yeah. So I want you to make the navbar responsive. So responsive on smaller screen. Add an hamburger menu to it. So it has generated the CSS style. So I'll just copy this. Copy. Then yeah, the CSS is now updated to include responsive navigation about hamburger menu for smaller screen. Next, you need to update the HTML and add a little JavaScript toggle to the menu. So yes, I want you to generate that too. Yes. So let's wait. So this is the now, but I'm going to go back to my VS Code. I hope this does not break my code. So let me just comment this all out first. Oh, sorry. V, paste the code here. Then check my website again if it's still working fine. Refresh you. Okay, still working fine. So now I will copy the nav bar here. So I'll copy the nav bar, copy. Then I'll paste it on my nav bar area. That's here. Well, let me see the code again. So we have nav bar, container, then header, arrow section. Then on the code we have header, nav bar. So this will be a little bit confusing. So instead I'll just do it from here. So I'll copy this one instead. Give to ChatGPT to add it. So add the hamburger menu here. So we have the header, nav bar. So I'll just copy this one, copy. Then I'll put it on the code. Then I'll put it here. V. Then copy the JavaScript code. Just copy. Don't know it. Copy it. Just copy this, please. Yes. Or let me just. So yeah, I can still prompt it again since I've changed the CSS classes, so you can get this JavaScript. So I can just do the same, or rather, create the JavaScript for the toggle. So here it is. I'll just copy this. It's still the same thing as this. So anyways, I'll just copy and go to my script JS. Then I'll paste here. Let me arrange this thing properly. Let me leave it this way. So I'll go back to my website and check and refresh. See, this thing is not even properly aligned, but we'll fix that. So I'll check if it's responsive now. Yeah, it is. So it's working. So when I click, it shows but at the same time, it's appearing at the middle. We are not going to do any manual work here. So everything ChatGPT will be doing it. So the next thing I will do is that I will prompt it to them. On smaller screen, let the hamburger menu appear at the right. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Or yeah, at the right. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. So I want the hamburger menu to appear on the right on smaller screen. Okay, so I'll just copy this, paste on my code again, my CSS file. How this does not break the code. V. So let me just name this one hamburger. Commit to it. So I'll check the website again. Please work. So yeah, we have it at the right point. Getting started is blocking it. So yeah, we're going to fix that too. Do I really need this get started? No, I don't. So I will remove the get started. So yeah, I'll just go to my index.html, go to nav, get started, list, unlist, commit to at first, then go to my website, check. So it's no longer there again. So I removed it to get started. So on smaller screen, we have our menu here. So this is it. So it's as simple as that. So the next thing we want to do is to arrange this our hero section properly. So I'm saying tech dashboard, I'm going to remove this. Yeah, I'm going to remove it. We don't really need it. So yes, I'll go back to my code, go back to hero section, watch demo. I think this should be it. Let me comment that and see. So yeah, it's out. So we have our website coming up. We have tech cool. So I'm going to change the logo. I'll be using my own logo. So yeah, we have our pricing plan, choose plan and all. Start your free trial today. So this is a very basic landing page. Features, how it works, pricing and contact. So yeah. So next thing I'll do is I want to yeah, change the logo, then add a particular, maybe add one image in this hero section. So yeah, so let's do that now. So let's first of all add the image to the hero section. So to do that, we will have to get a picture online. So yeah, so I'll download my image from free freepik.com. So yeah, you can download free images that you can use for your website. So I'll be downloading. So I'll just search for something technology. Let me just say technology. Okay, technology. So it's bring out something for me. So this is fine. So I'll just download this one. So here it is. I will split my screen. I will split my screen to just drag this way we're working. So I'll just drag this image here. So this is the image. I'll rename it to Hero BG. Close you. So go back to our HTML file. So this hero image. So this hero image here, I'm going to uncomment you out. Then source will be from hero BG. So let's check the website. Let me see how it look. So this is what we have. Nah, this is not giving. It's not giving. So I want to cover this entire screen. So yeah, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and prompt it to do its work because I don't have strength. I'm lazy. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. So I want you to make the hero background image to cover the 100 VH, then the text at the front. I want the image to be a little bit darker. So I will say make the image a little bit darker to bring out the hero text. So let's see what we'll get. So we have another style entirely. Oh yeah, so the hero section now uses the background image to cover the entire viewport with a dark overlay to enhance visibility. So let's see what it did here. Okay, so let me see if this will work. Let me just copy this style, copy, go back to my VS Code, CSS file, put in hero section. So here is the hero section. So I will want to let me just paste it here first, see what it does. Okay, let me look for a background image to put there. So I've not linked my background image, so let me just link the image. Hero background changes. So yeah, this is what we have. It's looking cool, but the text is not popping out. Text, they're more like it's not at the front. So let me see if I can edit that myself. Z index hero before no Z index of 1. So let me comment this particular. So let's see what we have. Still nothing. So I'll check. Let's just comment this entire thing out first. Nope. So that's not the issue. Z index of -1. Okay, so I will have to ask you again to do your work. Which one? Something's not right. So let me comment this out. Let's see. Comment out. Okay. Okay. So I think I have to change it to 1. Still not working. 0. -1. Okay, so I have to go back to ChatGPT. So I have to go back to ChatGPT to lay my complaints. Empowering your business with AI. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. The text is no, or rather the dark background overlay is affecting the text. I don't want that. Okay, so let me just copy again. Copy, go to my code. Sorry. So I'll go to the hero section. So this is the hero section. I will copy all this, paste this new one, then go back to check. Okay, I need to link the image again. So I will go back and link my image again. UBG. So let's see. Yeah, it's better now. So this is our hero section, and it's looking cool. Empowering your business with AI powered insight. So this is more like a landing page, very basic landing page. How it works, connected data, analyze. So you can use AI to improve all these things. So now let's make the footer is okay like this, but we can still add things to the footer. So let's remove the start now. Let's just let's see smaller screen how it will look. So it's the website is responsive. Yes, it's responsive. This part is responsive. Start your free trial today. So let me work on the start now button so it will look okay. Go back to my code. I think I can do that myself, but I don't want to do it. So we go to pricing section, we'll connect and start your free trial today. Then this is the button. So I will want this button to have, so this is the button, class name, this is the class name, button primary color. Start now. So I'll go to our CSS file, button primary color. Look for button, no. So this button, border radius 6. Margin bottom, margin top like 100 pixels. Let me see. It did not even work. 20 pixels. It's not working. Button. Let me check this again. Class name button primary starts now. So let me remove this thing and see. Okay, it works now. So what's the issue? Let me just give you another name. Class name trial button trial button. So just copy. So just copy. Go to my CSS. Sorry, I'll just tie you on come down here. Give you margin top, let's see. Margin top of like 100 pixel. Why is it not working? Let's see padding. Let's see padding. Padding like 10 pixel worked. So margin like 10 pixel. Something wrong right. Go back to my HTML button. Let me remove this button. Oh yeah. Go to my style button. Transition. Just copy the style. Copy. Yeah. Copy this button. Copy style. Okay. Button primary. So let me copy this one and see. Copy. Border radius. Take body. Then where is margin top? No. Where is it? It's not working. So I have to fall back to ChatGPT again, so it can help us with it. So start now. It's not looking clean. So let's see BTN. Primary. BTN primary. V. Refresh. So what I'm going to do is let me just remove this thing here first. Let me put it here. Wow. I think that was easy. So yes, the solution was just like change the container. So I guess this particular container was affecting the margin I was adding to it. So this is basic. So this is the basic website. It's responsive on all screens. So this is a basic landing page. So next thing I want to do is I want to add a logo. So I want to change this logo to my logo. So I'll just do is I'll drag in my own logo. So I'll drag in my logo and add it to this VS Code. Put it here. Where is the logo? So I'll just put one big logo without. So this is the logo. I'll just drag it and put here. So this is the logo. So I'll just change it to rename King KU logo. Remove. Then the navbar here I'm going to, sorry I said yeah, navbar. So the navbar here I'm going to edit this logo, this deco, to an image. So I'm going to remove this image, sorry, ing source, maybe from Kingisi logo. So it's going to be big initially, yeah, I know. I'm going to give you a class of logo. Still does not work, so I'll use ChatGPT to do the rest. If it does not work, we'll change it and put normal text there. So I'm going to give a class name of nav logo. So I will copy this particular area, copy, go to ChatGPT. So I want you to size this logo to be okay for all screen sizes. Logo, so this is the logo size. Okay, so I think it will still be the same. Let me just copy and paste and so I'll see. So this is it. Copy, go to my code, style, going to paste here. No, go to navbar. No, yeah, navbar. Nav, within the navbar, here. So let's see what we have. Still nothing. It's even interrupting my website. So I will have to adjust everything, but not for this tutorial. I think this video is long enough. So I'm going to remove the logo. Instead, I'll just put text there. So yeah, this is going to take a little bit time. So instead, I'll just put King. You see, technology. So yeah, this is it, and this is a simple landing page for a company. The navigation, they are not working, but no, it's not working. So they're not working basically, but they are navigating to that particular web page. So this is it. It's just a simple website landing page. So it's fully responsive on all screen. Yeah, it's responsive on all screen. So this is it. The nav bar, the hero section, and some other features, key features, how it works, connected data. We can actually edit all these things. You can make this one slider or a carousel. You can make this one interactive. So you can do a lot of things here. Maybe you Can even add smooth scrolling. So let's just add that one. Let's ChatGPT again. So I want to add smooth scrolling to the website. Not sure that's how to spell scrolling, but you shall understand. Smooth scrolling and clicking on navbar links will now smooth scroll to the target section. Let me know. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. ChatGPT is doing something else. So I'm going to leave that for another video. This video is long enough, so that's it basically. So this is the website that we created. It's a simple and very basic website, but we did it all with ChatGPT. We not stress ourselves, with no code, we not look for, we not even bother style self. Normally, if you had to do these things, it will take you time before you create your navbar, make your navbar responsive. You want to add all these features. See this is more like this grid, this flex again. This one is more like container inside another container that you have to like flex, then justify, content center, and all those things. So ChatGPT has helped you make your work 2 times faster. So that's it basically. If you like the video and you want more of it, please just hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will be putting the website live on GitHub, so you can view it live, and like I will also put the link to the repository in case you want to clone it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks for staying till this time. See you in the next one.